It's perfect for little ones. Nice quality mattress. Very useful for our codependent child who wants to sleep in our room. Bought these for our kids as we were transitioning from one home to another, and they just absolutely love them. The foam is super comfortable, and even with us, big kids, laying on them from time to time, the foam hasn't flattened at all. I followed the advice of another reviewer and bought the Burt's Bees crib sheets, and they fit wonderfully. So happy with the product. Thank you. First, the Milliard mats are absolutely the most comfortable mats on the market, having tested several. We just bought 2 of the toddler size and 2 of the adult, cot, size for house guests, and they were very happy sleeping on them for the week. Absolutely the best. But that's not why I am posting. I am posting because I found the cutest carry case that fits the toddler size exactly. It's the large folding fabric storage bags for blanket comforter clothes, high density material, dual zipper, dual handle, waterproof and breathable, pink, 24 inches x 20 x 11. I measured the folded up mat and looked all over Amazon for a case that fit, and this one is perfect. www.amazon.com, GP, product, B077Y7Q5FC, ref equals O_AUI_ detail page _000_ SOO, IE equals UTF-8 and PSC equals 1. Update. February 25, 20. Okay, so I finally got to use this at a hotel since my kids and mom occupied the double bed. It wasn't too bad. I had a good night's sleep and I didn't feel the hard carpeted floor. As mentioned, I am 5 feet and 124 pounds, and I got 2 decent nights. I positioned my head at the edge of the bed so that my feet wouldn't dangle in the air, and it worked. For anyone taller, wider and heavier than me, not sure how they would fare, as this is a toddler nap mattress lol. But if you are similar build as me, then this would do emergencies. I am tempted to get the adult version of this as it is wider and longer. Maybe if it goes on sale. Click link in description for more reviews.